Hi there. In this video I will be showing you guys to use Midjourney for free for a lifetime without any subscription, no junk or fake emails. We will use an authentic way to verify our Discord account when you are creating art and images with Midjourney and you are out of your 25 free queries. You are not able to use Midjourney on that Discord account any longer. Don't worry, in this video I have explained an easy stepwise process to use Midjourney for unlimited queries and graphics. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to this channel for such amazing AI related videos, tips and tricks and ways to earn with AI if you want to know how I'm making thousands of dollars with AI generated. Let's get into the process. First of all, you have to log out of your old account by clicking the little gear button, scroll down to the bottom and click on log out. After you are logged out of your old account, it is the time to make an email for a new account. Open a new tab in your browser and type in proton.me and hit enter. When you are on the Proton website, just click on create a free account. Wait a few seconds, choose a free account by clicking get Proton for free, wait for a few seconds, wait, and yes, now give it any username you want. I literally mean anyone that is available. I will choose AI3DJack in your password. I'm typing my password, click on create account and wait for it. Here comes the best part, you have two ways to verify a Proton account: email verification and reCAPTCHA. I will use reCAPTCHA, which is easy and don't need email, just checkmark I am human. reCAPTCHA is the best and easy way to use. Choose your display name, whatever you want. I chose mine, click next. Now this is extra information, you may skip it or just give a random recovery email to proceed. I'm not giving my proper email, you can use anyone you want. Now click on save selected, wait for a few seconds and here we go. Welcome to Proton Mail. Now just click next and proceed to get started. Here is the interface of Proton Mail. When you click on the top right corner, you will see your username and email provided to you by Proton. Copy this email because we will use this email to verify the new Discord account in order to use Midjourney. Keep this in mind that there is no limit on Proton, you can make hundreds and thousands of accounts. Now to make a new Discord account for Midjourney, go to discord.com and click on login. When you see this screen, click register just below the login button. On this screen, we have to paste the email that we just created and copied in the Proton. If you have not yet copied it, go there again and copy it. Paste your email here. For the username, I will paste the same email, just delete gmail.com and I will add something like, yeah, AI3DJack Proton, great. I will create a password and a random date of birth. Make sure you select year correctly, your age must be over 13. Checkmark the box and click continue. Do this reCAPTCHA verification, click verify it for it, wait for it, and yeah, we are in. Click on this plus icon, click on skip all tips, click on plus again, click on join a server, click on don't have any invite, and here we'll see Midjourney at the top. Here we go, click on it, close this welcome window. Now go to Proton Mail, check for verification email from Discord. Here it is, open this email, click on verify email, click confirm. Now go to the Discord alt tab, click again join Midjourney at the top, do this verification step again. Now you have successfully verified your email and also joined Midjourney and you are on board. Good luck. Click one of the newbies channels and we are ready to go. With our first prompt, let's first create something, for example art of a little girl swimming. Wait for it, it's processing. Nice, see the result and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video, see you in the next one.